don't think we can put this out, do you? It's all a bit crime watch.
I'm trying to watch Collateral,
No.
a very good drama on the telly.
Nathan, someone
And
called
ignore
Sam Spence
Smudge.
phoned. Can you call him back?
Who snores like I don't know what. I've got the cotton wool for bedtime. I might have to put some in and watch with subtitles. As long as you're happy, Smudge, that's all that matters.